How to learn anything faster than everyone else. Most people spend hours highlighting books and rereading notes, thinking they're studying. They're not, they're just wasting time. If you want to master a skill in half the time, use the Feynman Technique. Here's the secret: if you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Stop trying to sound smart with big words. Take a complex concept, strip away the jargon, and try to explain it in the simplest way possible. This forces your brain to fill the gaps in your own knowledge. Next, use active recall. Don't just read. Close the book and ask yourself, what did I just learn? This struggle, this mental itch, is exactly where the real learning happens. Your brain only remembers what it has to work for. And the final trick: spaced repetition. Don't cram for 5 hours in one day. Study for 30 minutes, then review it again after 24 hours, then 3 days, then a week. This moves information from your junk mail folder to your permanent hard drive. Stop studying harder. Start studying smarter. For more psychological hacks to level up your life, subscribe to Mind Logic.